Good morning, friends. I hope everyone is doing well. I request everyone to watch my videos in a sequence for better understanding. In the last video, we have discussed how to convert a hexadecimal number to octal number. In this video, I want to discuss about how to convert a octal number to a hexadecimal. Means now come to this. Octal number is what? Is a base 8 format and hexadecimal is what? Base 16. So I need to convert a number which is in base 8 to base 16. We can do this conversion in two ways. Okay, the first way is that I can convert the given octal number to decimal number, which is a base 10 number. Okay, which is a base 10 number. From decimal number I can convert into a hexadecimal number. The second process is that I can convert the octal number to binary number or base 2 number system, and from binary number I can convert into hexadecimal number. Now these are the two ways I can convert a given octal number to hexadecimal. The first way is that I can convert the octal number to decimal number, from decimal number to hexadecimal number system. Now what we already discussed how to convert a octal number to decimal number, and also we have discussed how to convert a decimal number to hexadecimal number. So it is easy, you can also do it. And the second way is that from octal number to we have to convert into binary number, from binary to hexadecimal we can do it. So I want already, as I already discussed this process, octal to decimal I have discussed, from decimal to hexadecimal I have discussed. So you can do it this process. So in this video I want to discuss in this way how to convert an octal number to binary, from binary how can I convert into hexadecimal. So let's watch the So we will discuss the process with an example. So let me take a octal number. So octal number is the smallest number possible is 0 and the maximum number possible is 7, because any base, if you have base n, and the maximum number allowed is n minus 1. As it is a base 8, the maximum number allowed is 7 and the minimum number is maximum number is allowed is 7 and the minimum number allowed is 0. So I will take 1, 5, 3 base 8. Now I want to convert this number into hexadecimal number system. Okay, so how I will do is that I will take this 3 and convert into a binary number. So what is the 3? 3 is, if I convert into binary number, I have to divide it by 2. So what is the quotient I will get? I will get the quotient as 1 and the remainder is 1. Now again 1 is less than 2, so I no need to further divide. So I will get it as 1, 1. And remember one point. Whenever you are converting a number which is in octal, if you are converting into binary number, you have to represent it in 3 bits. Okay, now 1, 1 is only 2 bits are there, bit number 1, bit number 2. Now you need to add another bit. So if I add a 0 here, it does not create any problem. Suppose if you see that I can write it as 1, 1, even it will also give 3, or I can write 0, 1, 1, even it will also give 3. If you want to verify, you can verify it. This is 1 into 2 power 0 plus 1 into 2 power 1 plus 0 into 2 power 2. Okay, if I write it, it will be 1 into 2 power 0 is 1 plus 1 into 2 power 1 is 2 plus 0 into multiplied with anything will be 0. So 1 plus 2 plus 0 is, you will get 3 as an output. Okay, so whether you consider it as 1, 1 also it will give 3, or it can be considered 0, 1, 1 also it will give a 3. So 3 can be represented as 0, 1, 1, and 5 can be represented as, if you take the convert the 5 to binary number, it will be 2, 2 is a 4, and you will have a remainder 1, and 2 ones are 2, and you will get a remainder. So quotient you will get 1 and remainder is 0. So 1 0 1, okay, and then 1 it is 0 0 1, because 1 is less than 2, so directly you will get the quotient itself, okay, and the zeros you need to add because you need to represent in 3 bits. Now we will discuss how to convert this binary number or base 2 number to base 16. Okay, now how can we do is that, remember one thing, as it is an octal number which is a base 8, which is can be represented as 2 power 3. 8 can be written as 2 power 3. When it comes to hexadecimal, it is 16. So I can represent it as 2 power 4. So that's why we have represented each number with 3 bits, because it is 2 power 3. When it comes to hexadecimal, it is 2 power 4 because it is base 16, so it is 2 power 4. So what I have to do, I have to take 4 bits and I need to convert into hexadecimal. Let's see how I can do it. So I hope you have understood why I should take 4 bits. Okay, now first 4 bits you take it, and the remaining 4 bits you take it. Now remember one thing, if any bit is left after dividing 4 and 4, if any 1 bit or 2 bits are less than 4 bits are left, if it is again another 4 bits are there, you can divide it further. But if you see that you have 1 bit, here it is 0 is there, I can neglect it. However, I am telling a procedure. Suppose let's take that in this place, if you have a 1, then what you should do, then you can add another 3 zeros. Okay, are you able to understand? You can add another 3 zeros, okay, and consider it as a 1 bit. Okay, 4 bits you can consider now. Are you able to understand? When you are dividing it into 4 bits, if you got another extra bit or 2 bits or another 3 bits you got, you can pad a 0 in front of it. Okay, if you pad a 0, it does not modify anything. Okay, so that's why you can consider, and you can make it as a 4 bits if you have less than 4 bits at the ending. Okay, so now if you see that I have 1011, which is in a binary number, I need to convert into base 16. So I need to convert this one into, first I need to convert into decimal number. So how I will do it is, please check it. This weight is 2 power 0, this is 2 power 1, this is 2 power 2, this is 2 power 3. So I can write it as 1 into 2 power 3 plus 0 into 2 power 2 plus 1 into 2 power 1 plus 1 into 2 power 0. So 1 into 2 power 3 is 8, okay, plus 0 plus 2 plus 1, which is 11. Okay, are you able to understand? So 11, how I can represent in hexadecimal? Because 11, in hexadecimal I have 0 to 9, then 10 can be represented as A, 11 can be represented as B. So I have to represent here as a B. Are you able to understand? Because when you convert into a, you can say it is, even I am converting into an hexadecimal. See, 8 plus 2 plus 1, I got 11. 11 I cannot represent here, I have to represent as B. So this is B I have written. Now this is 0 1 1 0. It will be what? This is 0 power 0 into 2 power 0 plus 1 into 2 to the power 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power 2. So, and plus 0 into 2 power 3. That's why I am not considering. So you will get 0 plus 2 plus 4 plus 0. So you will get 6. So you can represent directly 6. And if you consider this as 4 zeros, will be obviously 0 only. Are able to follow? So you got 4 zeros, it will be a 0. So I hope you have understood. Even if it is 0 6b, you can just consider it as 6b only. Okay. So I hope you have understood how I solve this problem, or how I solve this example of converting an octal number to hexadecimal. If you have any doubts with this procedure, please feel free to ask it in the comment section. I will clear your doubts in less than 24 hours. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day.